Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be recreating this beautiful beaded bag. So if it's something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. So for today's video we're going to use these beads. These beads are 14 mm and this is how they look. This is the color. And we're also going to need our thread. My thread is 0.6, as well as our scissors. So we're going to take our thread and wrap it around our palms for 20 times. So we're going to take our thread, right? After you measure for 20 times, you're going to take your thread and start with 4 beads. Then put them on any side that you prefer. Like so. Then you use the last bead to cross with the other thread. Then you pull. So it's going to be like this. So we're going to do another one. So we're going to take 3 beads. Then we put 1 on the right and 2 on the left. Then you use the right thread to cross with the left thread on the last bead, then you pull. That's our second one. So doing our last one, our third one, right? We're going to take 3 beads and put all of them on the left thread. All 3 beads on the left thread. Then cross with the last bead. You cross with the last bead, then you pull. So it's going to be something like this. So you're going to take another 3 beads and put all of them on your left again. Then you use the right thread to cross with the last bead. Then you pull. Like so. So this is how it's going to be. So you're going to take this thread and pass it through this bead. Like so. Then you pull. You're going to put 2 beads on the left. Then you use the last bead to cross with the right thread. Then you pull. You take the right thread and pass it through this bead. Like so, right? Then you're going to use the very same thread and put 2 beads. Then use the left thread to cross. Like so, right? So we are going to do the same thing that we did on the second row. Take 3 beads and put them on your left thread. Then use the right thread to cross with the last bead. Then you pull. like so, right? You take the right thread, pass it through this bead over here, use 2 beads and put them on your left, like so. Okay, so the last one, we're going to take the right thread and pass it through this bead, like so. Then you pull, then you use the very same thread and put 2 beads, like so. Then you pull. Okay, so this is how it is, right? So this is our base. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to start building the sides, right? Okay, so this is our base, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're going to build going up. So we're going to go with 3 beads, put them on your left, then cross with the right thread, then you pull everything, right? So for now it's still going to look flat, but you'll see how it will be when we get to our corner, right? So you take the very same right thread, pass it through 1 bead from our previous row, like so. Take another 2 beads, put them on your left, use the right thread to cross, then pull, then we do the same, passing through the right thread, so it's going to be like this, right? So what we're gonna do now, this right thread, we're going to pass it through this bead over here, then you pull, then you put 2 beads on the left thread, you use the right thread to still cross with the last bead on the left, then you pull, okay. So you can see we have built our corner, right? So I'm still gonna continue. Right thread, pass it through our base bead, then pull, two beads, okay. So we have 2 sides for now. So we have this side and this side, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and complete this other side. So this is how it is. So what we're gonna do now to close, right? So we have 3 beads already. We have 1, 2, 3, right? So it means we're just going to use 1 bead. So you're going to take your right thread this one and pass it through the base bead, and then you pull. Then you're still going to pass it through this bead over here like so, then you pull. So now we are left with one bead, right? So we're going to take one bead and pass it on any side that you can, then use the other side to cross like so, then you pull. Like that, right? So this is the base, this is the first line or row. So we're going to continue again. We are starting a new row. When you start a new row, you're going to use 3 beads. Put them on your left thread, then you cross with the right thread. So it's going to be like this, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to our last row, right? So now we are making the last one, right? Remember, you take the right thread, pass it through the previous row, as well as this bead over here, right? So when it's like this and it's the last one, what you're gonna do, you're going to take your left thread, right? Put one bead, then you're not going to pass it this time. You're going to make your knot. You're going to make your double knot over here. 1 and 2, right? So when it's like this, you're going to make sure that you hide your knot. You take the thread, we're gonna pass it through here, then we pull just a little bit. You see, it's gone. So what we're gonna do to make our handle, you're going to take this thread that is over here and pass it through this bead over here, and this bead. It should come out to this bead like this. We are not cutting our thread. Again here, and also the last one over here, right? Like so. So this one, we have to pass it on this bead to come out on this other side. Like so, right? So now that we are done with our body bag, what we're gonna do now, we're going to take beads and pass through. We're going to put our thread together like this, then pass some few beads, so this is the 10th one. going to pull, right? Make some adjustments. So on the opposite side, you're going to make sure that you take one side of your thread and pass it through like so. Then you make your double knot as well. Okay. Take my thread, basically just putting it back so that we can hide our thread, our knot, right? Okay, so we have hidden our knot, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and cut the remaining thread with our scissors. So guys, this is our final bag, and I'll be very honest with you, this is a very small bag unless you use it as an aesthetic, but this is a very extra mini bag, and I don't know what it can put inside, but anyway, I'll just my car keys. And this bag I did it for other bag that I have, so we're just going to give it a try and see how it look over here before I go and make a bag for it. So maybe, yeah, you can use it for putting your car keys or AirPods, anything, but just know that it's a very small bag, right? So, and I saw this for $50 somewhere in a website for other brand. I'm not gonna say their name. Just let me know what you think. Does it worth the price? Or just let me know what you think about the bag. Does it worth $50? Okay, and it was on sale. I don't know what's the original price, but anyway, this is our bag. If you like it, you can make it for yourself, you know, put in your car so that people can know, or as an aesthetics. But I don't know, this is a very mini bag, I can say, right? If you like it, I also like it. I'm gonna keep this one, but I'm not gonna make more of it. I'm not gonna sell this to anyone. So yeah guys, if you like this video, I would like to say kindly like, share, subscribe, and share to other creators. Let them know that there's a girl called Nolo. She's doing magic. So yeah guys, I will see you on my next video.